Hello everyone, my name is Satya and I'm here to represent Team AlgoForge crew for the level SuperMind Hackathon, and our project's name is SmartEngage AI. So this is the problem statement given by the level SuperMind team, where the basic objective was to make a social media performance analysis platform using data stacks, which consist of two tools, that is AstraDB and Langflow. AstraDB for the database operations and Langflow for the AI workflow creation. Below are the task details which need to be achieved for the below assessment. Now let's move on to the flow that we have used. So here is our data ingestion flow where we have basically uploaded our CSV file into the vector collection. So after uploading the CSV file, we split it into chunks, and using the Mistral embeddings, we convert it into the vector space. We have used an AstraDB with the database name SM analysis and the collection post data in order to store the CSV data.
Now that we have understood the data ingestion flow, let's have a look at what the data looks like after this process is completed. So here is our post data collection, which contains these columns, as you can see here, in which the type of post is the main factor, which was to be used as stated in the problem statement. On top of that, we have these four extra columns, which are type of day, time period of day, user age, and user location. This contributes to maintain the individual identity of every record, which could be anything like post share or post comment. And these type of different records are differentiated through this last column, which helps us categorize the records into separate categories like, post share, post comment, etc. So this is the basic overview of what our data looks like after the ingestion part.
Now, as we are done with the data, let's move on to the flow which we are using in order to generate the insights. Here is the high-level flow what we are using. Now let us understand the roles and responsibilities of each of the component used here. Starting from the chat input. So in the chat input, we will be giving the details about the post which the user wants to view the analytics about. Then we have our manager agent, where we are using an OpenAI GPT-4o mini model in order to generate the insights. Coming to the agent instructions which are given here. Here we have explained the agent about the data which we have used and about the response format which the output will be based on. The manager agent uses two different tools, which is AstraDB and Assistant Agent. Coming to AstraDB, we have used the same database and collection which we have used to ingest our data in order to get the transactional data to provide insights. And in the Assistant Agent, we are using to answer the queries of the chatbot which the user enters, which will be precise and to the point, which will be then given out as a response to the chat output and displayed to the user.
So this is our website where we have a form, user input form, which will be based on the three parameters. That is, when does the user plan to post, whether it's a weekday or weekend, the timing in which he wants to post, and the content type which he wants to post. So let us select weekday, and for let's morning time, and let's say video content type. And if you submit the request, the user will get AI generated insights based on the above factors, which will be displayed. So as you can see, these are the generated insights, the comparative insights, and the suggestions which will be given to the users based on the above factors. We also have a chat feature where the user can ask to the point precise questions. For example, what is the average age of users who like reels? Here it will not be an enhanced analytics, but it will be precise to the point based on the user query. As you can see, the average age of users who like read is approximately 39 years.
Now let's have a look into the flow which we are using in order to generate visual insights for our dashboard page. This is the high level flow which we are using. Now let us understand the roles and responsibilities for each of the component. Starting from the first component, that is the text input component, which will be the factor on which the user wants to view the visual analytics about. This factor is then passed to our custom component, which has access to the data in the format of a CSV file, where we have defined a function which takes the data in the CSV file and the factor on which the user wants to view the analytics about, and returns the data in a specified format to be displayed on the dashboard page. The response of our custom components is then given to our chat output, which is then displayed to the user in a visually appealing manner.
Okay, so here is our analytics dashboard page in which we have four major parameters: which are age, location, date type, and type, which refers to type of post. And here we have the secondary parameters, which are post, impressions, likes, shares, and comments. So as you can see, this is the age post dashboard chart, which includes the age range in the x-axis and the frequency in the y-axis. So this basically refers to 15 to 24 age range posts, around 150 posts, and this total post division is defined in this stacked bar chart, in which we can see the division between different post types. Similarly, we can see the same for likes, shares, comments, etc. And let's have a look at the day and time chart. So inside this, we have a line chart. So here we have the frequency, here we have the time period of day. So we have two different charts. One is for weekday, and then one is for weekend, and both justify the same purpose. Just the thing is that the different post types are described through lines in this chart. So same also like shares, comments, etc. And same also location. We have stacked pie chart. So inside this, you can see the distribution of the different metrics, how it is distributed throughout the world, and what is the distribution among different post types in different regions. So here, as you can see, that for different post types and countries, and similarly we have the same for like share, comments, etc. And here also we can access the same chatbot which was present on the homepage. So that's all.